subscribe to Rin's channel and press the bell icon to watch latest tech videos firstly.
What's going on, guys? This is Rin. You're watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to create cutouts of your image, and it looks pretty cool and simple, easy. So guys, without wasting time, let's start it. I'm talking about none other than PicsArt app, because this is the best app to edit photos. If you want to create thumbnails, you want to create a banner, and anything you want to do, you want to edit your face, and this is a complete package. You can simply download it from the Play Store, or I can give the link in the description below. So guys, after coming here, now click here and select the black background. After that, it takes some amount of seconds, and right now let me just show you that how to create. So now you need to click add photo here. After that, here you can see you need to now select the photo which you want to create. I'm taking this. Pick. It takes some seconds to load your image. Now select the size as you want, and this is the way you can. So that's nice. Click on the eraser button. After that, click here. This is a simple thing to create your portrait. Sorry, portrait I was saying. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Now click on this and so guys, here you can see, or you can make it more clear and I can say more effective. So guys, this is the simplest way to create your cutout, and you can save it simply to your gallery. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Comment for another video of your choice. And thanks for watching. Press the bell icon to watch latest tech videos firstly. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.